Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open for me. But once yours is open and prepared, simply press power key and volume down at the same time. Just a single click of both of these. You'll have this flash of the borders and a pop-up with edit, I believe what was there, tag and share options, and a T, which allows you to just gain copyable text, if that's even a word. So basically the text from the screenshot and allows you to select it, copy it and paste it, which is really nice when it comes down to documents or anywhere where you need to have a long string of, for instance, numbers copied, like a bank number. That's pretty nice. Now anyway, once you captured your screenshot, you can find it in your gallery application. So I'm gonna go in here and you'll see there's a screenshot album under albums, obviously. You can tap on it and here you'll see all the screenshots. Now these are the two that I have just captured. And here you can also access the little text menu. As you can see, it selects all the text that it detects. Now it does have a little bit of error sometimes, like I believe it selects this airplane. It's not really a text. Exclamation mark is also not really a text, but sometimes it just gets a couple things wrong. But other than that, you can just select, for instance, like Galaxy Store, copy it, paste it, whatever. Now anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.